Hello, I'm Hope Akasiko and I'm here to take you through a simple guide on how to make a presumptive tax payment using the URA USSD code *285# on your mobile phone. Remember, a presumptive tax is paid by businesses or persons whose total annual sales is above 10 million but not exceeding 150 million. Step 1. Dial *285# on any telecom network where you have airtime. Step 2. Select option 4, that is presumptive tax, from the options displayed. Step 3. Enter your TIN. Step 4. Enter the business name. Select the period or year of income for which you want to pay presumptive tax. Provide the gross turnover or total annual sales. The presumptive tax payable is computed and displayed. Then select option 1, which is pay with mobile money. You will receive a prompt on the mobile number you choose to make payment, requesting you to enter PIN to confirm payment of tax. You will also receive an SMS on the same mobile number requesting you to approve payment of presumptive tax with the PRN stated. Enter PIN to confirm payment of tax. Once payment is made, you will receive a message from URA confirming payment of presumptive tax. So in summary, this is how you pay your presumptive tax. Thank you for watching.
Uganda Revenue Authority, developing Uganda together.